Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Ashley, and today I have for you guys like this very easy Valentine's Day makeup look. I did see that the picture on Instagram did get lots of love, so I decided to make a tutorial on it, except for the picture had like a bunch of hearts and like rhinestones on it, but I didn't want to add too much, and I did add one little heart just so it can be more Valentine's Day-ish. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in knowing how I got this makeup look, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so first things first is we're gonna prime our eyelids, and I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. No surprise. Sorry about my dog, guys. He's like really, I don't know, he's weird. Alright guys, so eyelids are primed, and I'm sorry guys, my dog just pushed me. And for the first palette that I'll be using is the ABH Nirvana Volume 1 palette. Dude, this palette is so freaking stunning, and it's like my first time using it ever. For the look, the Valentine's Day look, my sister did give it to me for my birthday, and my birthday was in October. But yeah, I've recently been using it, but look, it just looks so freaking pretty. It's just super cool. For the first shade that I'll be using is this one up here. It's like the super like, looks neon pink, but once you put it in your eyelid, it doesn't look neon. It's a really pretty pink. Okay guys, so I'm patting it in. My dog wants attention. I'm patting it in like in the crease because I found out that that actually makes your colors like more vibrant in the crease instead of like doing the windshield motion. So I've been just patting them down. Oh my god, my dog really wants attention. So yeah, just patting it in the crease, and I'm making like half a circle on my lid. Okay guys, so it should just look like this for now, but I am going to grab the Morphe N503 brush and just like blend everything out. And I do like to bring it up to my eyebrow right here. I don't know, I've just been liking that look lately. So yeah, I'm just blending everything out. Okay guys, so after you have the color blended out, you're just going to go in with the same Nirvana palette, and you're going to grab the white shade right here. And I'm just going to grab it with my finger because I feel like it just goes onto my lid a lot better. And I'm just blending it out a little bit more so the white and the pink don't look so harsh together. Okay guys, so this is literally one lid. Like, it's not finished yet, the eye, but the lid is done. I literally just added 2 colors because I didn't feel like doing too much, and since it is like an easy Valentine's Day look, I didn't want to do anything like too dramatic or anything. So yeah, that's why. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera. Alright guys, so I finished both eyes, and the next thing is going to be foundation. I already primed my face, and the primer that I used was the No Problem Primer by Touch in Souls. Great primer. Freaking love it. But yeah guys, the foundation that I'm going to be using is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in Deauville. I hope I said that right. Okay, so I'm just gonna squirt some on the back of my hand and just put it on my face. With the brothers, you know how we do. Concealer, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape, the same one I used to conceal my eyes. You know how we do. It's not
hard for me to say you love.
For contour, I am going to be using the LA Pro Conceal, just to structure out my face and everything. I learned this from Daisy Marquez, and I tried it out the other day, and I was impressed. So yeah, I'm just gonna like sculpt my cheeks out and go up a little bit, just like that.
Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
To blend out the contour, I am going to be using this BoxyCharm brush that I got in my BoxyCharm. I think it was my January BoxyCharm. But yeah, guys, I'm just gonna blend it out. Literally, all you have to do is just like pat it. Yeah, don't go in circular motions, because I feel like that makes it get everywhere. And if you do get like tired of patting it, you can drag it upwards a little bit. But yeah, but that's basically all you do for this contour thing. The next thing I'm going to do is a little bit of bronzer. The bronzer that I'm going to be using is the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. The next thing I'm going to do is going to be cleaning up my contour a little bit. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. And then I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge again to just sculpt everything out.
With the brothers, boo, you know how we do.
So I'm just going to let it sit there for like a couple minutes, and literally all I do like within this time is just like wait. Okay guys, so I already finished my eyes. I put a little bit of purple on the under eye, and then a little bit of like pink liner on the waterline, and purple and pink iridescent shadow in the inner corner. And I popped on some lashes, and I put the House of Lashes on in, I'm not sure, but it's this Sephora collection. Y'all know that House of Lashes is my favorite. But anyways guys, for blush I am going to be using the Ofra Cosmetics Candy Apple blush. It's just this pretty pink. I really like this. I've never had like a blush that was that pink till I got this one, and I've literally been loving it. And for mascara, I did put on the Petite and Pretty Fully Feathered Volumizing Mascara. It looks like this, and I got it in my BoxyCharm, and I've put it on twice before this video, and I've actually really been liking it. I thought I wasn't gonna like it because of the type of brush that it has. Yeah, I'm not really a big fan of these brushes. Yeah guys, I really do enjoy this mascara. Alright guys, and for highlight, I am gonna go into this Ofra Cosmetics signature palette, Ofra Glow signature palette. I am going to be using the color Pillow Talk, and it looks exactly like this. It's really pretty, like shimmery pink. I love it. Probably one of my favorite highlights in this palette. Alright, and I'm just gonna go into Pillow Talk and put it on the high points of my face. So do you guys have like any Valentine's Day planned? Like anything planned for Valentine's Day? Or not really? I mean, you know, if you don't have a significant other, you can always just go out with friends. Honestly. Because why not? Ofra Cosmetics does make really good highlighters, I'm not even gonna lie. So yeah guys, if you guys haven't checked them out, you guys should. And for my lips, I am gonna go in with a Kylie Jenner lip liner in Candy K. on the liner, I am going to go in with ColourPop So Juicy Plumping Lip Gloss in Princess Cut. It's just a clear gloss. I've really been into these clear glosses lately. For the last step, I am going to be adding primer, and it is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Cucumber 3-in-1 Primer Water. So it's just the blue one. It actually smells like cucumbers, not even gonna lie. But yeah, just put a little bit of this. And then just fan it out. Okay guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I added a little heart right here because it is Valentine's Day themed. So if you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag me in it. My Instagram will be somewhere right here or right here. I don't know, somewhere in there. Just so you guys can tag me on Instagram if you guys do recreate it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys next time.